Hi! In front of me is Oppo A96, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this Oppo. Start by opening tab menu. Now you need to look for location icon and simply click on it. As you can see in this pop-up, you need to select close, and now location is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just tap on the same icon. But you can always go into settings as well, scroll down, tap on location section over here, and manage location of your smartphone by tapping on the switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!